Hey, what's going on? It's David, and I have something funny for you to kind of imagine for a second. Imagine it's the middle of the day, you're going to take like a bear nap, relax the muscles a little bit, take like a little nap for 20 minutes, maybe 1 hour, and then you wake up and you find a $500 instant commission waiting for you in your inbox. Well, that's exactly actually what happened. Let me show you one member of the system that I've been telling you about over the last few videos and few emails. Just posted literally 14 minutes ago inside the group, and I'll read the actual post. This system is freaking fire. I woke up to another $500 Vertex Elite payment. I could really get used to this. Thank you, David, for all that you do. And here's the payment that he received, 500 bucks at 12:28 p.m. So in the afternoon. And I replied back and I said, yes, yes, yes. For anyone that hasn't gotten started yet, what are you waiting for? Yesterday, this is easy peasy. I do the work while you make the commissions, just like Sam did. So let me ask you this. Would you like me to do the work on your behalf? I'm sending out the email follow-up. I'm shooting the videos and producing them and editing them and putting them online. I'm the one that's building the web pages, maintaining them, making sure all the buttons work and all of that. And guess who's the one that makes the commissions? You. So if you want me to help you with generating commissions online, you can use my system in order to basically have me do all the work on your behalf while you're the one who gets to make the commissions. Now, it's not just one commission that we're talking about here. You can earn multiple commissions from the same visitor, meaning that when you promote a regular affiliate link, what happens is, best case scenario, you get to make one commission. But with this system, what happens is you get to have multiple income streams, which is extremely important. And I basically take care of all the promotion of those income streams to your visitors on your behalf. There is actually even one special promotion that I believe is ending really, really soon. You want to take a look below the video for how much time is left for that. Maybe it already expired by the time you're watching this video, where I take your affiliate link and I put that inside of my personal YouTube videos and get you traffic from there. Like, how cool would that be if I actually got you traffic as well? So if you want to start to be in a position where you don't have to do all the heavy lifting yourself, maybe you're busy, maybe you don't want to build web pages and create videos and do all that stuff that needs to be done in order for an online business to work, don't worry about it. I'm here for you. Let me do the work on your behalf. I love doing this stuff. This is what my passion is. For you, it might be your passion, but maybe you're busy. Maybe you don't have the time to do it. Maybe you got 4 kids, So let me help you. Let me help you by doing it on your behalf. And this way you can go out there, do your thing. And meanwhile, the system is working for you 24/7. There's nothing that's like special about what Sam is doing. He's just using a system just like all the other members that I've sent you the testimonials about over the last few videos and the last few emails. So we're all using the same system. It's the system itself is actually, I don't charge you anything to use it, so I don't charge you to do the work on your behalf. But once you get inside, you do need to configure your different income streams, which takes like a couple minutes to do, not much. And then you could be in a position to earn up to $2,000 cash payments that could be delivered to your doorstep, and even additional commissions of up to $16,500 and even more commissions inside that I'm not going to get into now in this video because there's a webinar that explains exactly how this works. So if you're interested in me doing the work on your behalf, me doing all the heavy lifting on your behalf, and if you're interested in being in a position to earn even more than $20,000 for a single customer, all you have to do right now to learn more is look below this video. There's going to be a button or a link or something like that. And it's going to take you to a page where you can learn everything that you need to learn about how this works. And you can be in a position just like Sam did to receive $500 payments, $2,000 payments, $16,500 payments, and on and on and on. So that's it for this video. If you're interested in me helping you, click below the video If not, that's cool. You can set everything up yourself. You can attend seminars. You can go buy a bunch of books, go buy a bunch of courses, and figure all of the stuff out on your own. If you want to do that, I highly encourage you to do that if that's your thing. But if it's not your thing, if you want someone else to handle everything on your behalf, then no problem. I'm here for you. I can help you just like I helped Sam today make that $500 commission. And it's still like pretty early on in the day. We got the whole evening and afternoon to go. So, this could be just half of what he gets today. All right. So that's it for this video. I hope to see you on the next one. And inside the system, to give you the big welcome, go ahead, click the button, and I'll see you inside. Bye for now.